I come back to this business of loving. You know, our lives are about personal relationships, are they not? I mean, all of us really have this opportunity and this problem. How are we going to relate to the people we love and the people we don't love quite as much as we should? How are we going to relate to them? I say, let's give love a chance by telling the truth. We are busted wide open for each other, aren't we? Glasnost. We are absolutely busted wide open for one another. All we've got to do is look and see that. And when we live from that, we give love a chance.